Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to use pivot tables for sales analysis in Google Sheets. If this video helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Pivot tables sound complex, but they're actually one of the easiest ways to summarize your sales data. Let's say you've got a spreadsheet with columns for region, product, sales rep, and amount. First, click anywhere inside your sheet, then go to Insert, then Pivot Tables, choose New Sheet and hit Create. Now on the right, you will see Pivot Table Editor. To summarize sales by region, drag region into the rows section and drag amount into the values section. You now see total sales for each region. If you want to break it down by product, just drag product into columns. Now you've got a nice matrix showing sales of each product in every region. You can also analyze by rep. Remove regions and drag sales rep into rows. That gives you total sales by each team member. You can keep switching things around depending on what insight you want. Pivot tables are super flexible and great for spotting trends fast. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.